Hello guys, welcome back for travel and business vlog. Right now I'm in India. I'm doing this short video to get a knowledge about what all documents you need to carry while you're traveling to India to carry your personal drone. Especially you are in abroad and you want to bring a drone to India. There is lots of problem in Indian customs, so they are not aware of the rules and documents what we need to carry, because now recently they have come up with the rules with the digital sky about to do a registration for OAN and DAN number. So already I did this process before I come here, so that I can easily fly here. But even if you have a drone in abroad, you have a license and you have registered in India with the DAN OAN, even you can't bring the drone easily, because you will get lots of customs problems. You need to have a bill, you need to have a specially OEM certificates. I will explain you related to that. Even I was not aware of that. So before I come Mangalore Customs, I am mailed for Mangalore Airport Authority. I got the reply that we need to carry the Ministry of Telecommunication letter. They told me like that. I was not aware of that, and even I have not understood which is that letter, how to apply that. But when I mailed to DGCA, so I have sent all my documents like ON and DAN number of Indian registered, and even from Dubai my license and my bill and everything. So when I got the reply from them, I will read you so that you will get the idea. So this was the letter reply which I got from them. Sir, DAN and ON are provided for the drones existing within India. The drone model owned by you is, my drone was Mavic 2 Zoom. The drone model owned by you is not provisionally accepted by DGCA, and the drone at present is out of India, and it will be considered as import. For import of any drone, the specific model should be provisionally accepted by DGCA. It's a 1-year-old drone. He's telling it will be import. Okay, no issue. Accepted by DGCA. Therefore, you are requested to approach OEM to comply the DGCA requirements. So he's telling clearly that I need to contact OEM to get all the documents to clear the import duties. So already I am having OAN and DAN number, all the registration in India. I have done this with all the documents from the online. I have all the required documents, and I have all the Dubai license and all the documents. So he was talking about OEM. I was not aware. Again, when I checked with the person whom I purchased this, he said we are not the right person to give the OEM, because we are not the manufacturer. The manufacturer, the DGA, because I am having a drone from the DGA company, so they need to give us a authorized person, dealer. So I contacted the dealer. He was also telling we are not able to give those things. But when I showed this letter, and even I contacted DGA directly, so even they said the same thing like DGCA. You need to contact the person who is where you purchase, or the direct dealers. So again I showed these 2 letters to him. Then I convinced that person from Dubai, and at last he gave me all the documents. I will show you some of that document so that you will get idea. So he have given me the registration certificate, SG Digis Technological Limited, and with the seal, and one more letter from Emirates Authority for Standardization of Meteorology, Unmanned Aerial System. So he given me these 2 letters, and even he have given me 3 sets of like Mavic and accessory announcements, and Mavic 2 Zoom start guide, and disclaimer and safety guidelines, with all these documents for OEM when I asked for OEM. So this is the very important documents you need to have to carry to clear the import duties. So so these are the documents you need to have, like if you're carrying I carried my drone from Dubai, so to clear the Dubai, first I got a problem with Dubai police. When I went to check in, they sent to Dubai airport, Dubai police. I showed my all the documents, and they was convinced. They told to check with again immigrations, customs, and even I have checked with the customs. They cleared that. After all everyone cleared that, when I was checking again, I got a problem with because I was flying with the Air India Express. They troubled me because they not allowed me, because they was okay with the drone. Okay, you have all the documents, but they was telling the battery is not allowed, because lithium battery, there was spending lots of technical issues. So I convinced them, because already I have traveled Hong Kong, Macau, and many people have traveled, and this battery already they already carried these batteries. So I convinced that ma'am, it was a lady, and I have the lady visiting card, and I have the name also, I will put in the description. And she was very good that she has given very good information to me. And if you have any queries related to that, you can contact her. She will explain you briefly about what are the necessary things if you are importing, because this is my old drone. And if you maybe there is another rule if you're purchasing a new one drone, and if you're importing from other countries, there may be any other rule. For sure there will be other rule. If it is a new drone, definitely I was not able to bring it, but this was my old drone, but I faced lots of problems. So at last I convinced that ma'am, and I cleared totally, like Dubai police in airport and customs, and even with the airlines which are flying. But when I landed here again, Mangalore customs, they asked me lots of they was also not aware what are documents is needed. Even I showed all the documents, and even I showed the mail from them and everything. Then at last they was convinced, and they said that you are the person first drone which we are you are the first person who have brought with all these documents, and till now we have seized all the drones which was not having proper documents. So I showed all these documents, and they was happy, and they took a copy of all these documents so that they can show for the future people, you need to have all these documents to carry the drone legally. So I was very happy. At last I got my drone to India, and very soon I'll be flying this drone in India, and maybe very soon I'll be uploading drone videos in my travel and adventures blog. So you and I will be, if you have any doubts related to this, definitely I will share all the description links and contacts and everything in my description column, so that step by step, one step to what to do, so that you can get idea. And if you have any doubts, you can comment here. Definitely I will explain you. And it took me nearly 10 to 15 days. I was back of this to do all these documents, and definitely help you regarding that. You can anyway, you can contact me, mail me, and you can comment below. And don't forget to like my channel, subscribe my channel, press the bell button, so that you can get all my future updates. And you want to get any video, you want to get any information related to this, you can comment, so that I can do a video related to that on my next video. That's it. Signing off, Vikityam, Travel and Advance Vlog from India.